So for the tech project 2, I did the Kahoot for one of the assessment programs. As you can see, I made a quiz of 4 questions relating to science content. So the first one, I embedded a crash course video, and it was a multiple choice question. Same with the second. The third and fourth, I did true false and included images as well. I also began the quiz with a nice picture over here. So if I was to begin this assessment, I would just hit play. And then the students will be prompted to join with a class code that they could join on whatever device they're on. So as far as exiting the quiz, there is a end game button if you want to end it early, or you can let it finish out, and then it'll bring you to a screen that looks like this. This will let you know which student was on the top of the podium, and then you can hit this view full report, which will bring you another page that looks like this. And this will basically break down the difficult questions, the need help questions, and didn't finish. You can click this report options and either print the report, or you can go to your Kahoot login and hit the reports option, and it will show up here. The other neat feature with Kahoot is you can use this Find Me a Kahoot About and search for any topic Kahoot that is already created. So it's super easy to administer and super easy for students to access. So then the second one that I utilized was Google Forms. So again, I did a Google form using the same questions. So on this one, I changed the theme. So I made it a blue theme, kind of go with the earth layout I had going on, and I added this image up here. I embedded a crash course video again, and then I have a check question so they can check all the ones that apply, a regular multiple choice question, a drop down true false, and then a short answer. And then the students would just hit submit, and with the way that I have it set up, it is synced to my Google Classroom. So all I could do is go into grades, and it would show up here. The way that students would access Google Forms is either through an email, a link, or through embedding it in Google Classroom, which is what I did. So as you can see, it's on my stream. All I do is click on it, then the students just click on this, and it allows them to access it. So the nice thing about this is, because it's a Google platform, it will go ahead and tell me over here which students still need to take it, which students scored on it. And so that's pretty nice. By entering in a due date, it also kind of controls how you stop the assessment. So after that due date, the students will no longer be able to take the Google form. So it's a pretty nice platform because it has various question options, and it's kind of linked to the Google Classroom if you so choose.